Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Optimum Nutrition products regarding their Halal or Haram status. Understanding these terms is crucial for many consumers. We'll explore what makes a supplement permissible or forbidden according to Islamic dietary laws. It's important to know how to identify compliant products, especially when choosing popular brands like Optimum Nutrition. Let's dive into the specifics to help you make informed decisions about your supplements. When evaluating supplements, specific ingredients are critical. Gelatin, often used in capsules, must be from a halal source, typically bovine or fish, not pork. Similarly, any alcohol used in the manufacturing process, even in small amounts, can render a product haram. Enzymes, especially those derived from animals, also need to be halal certified. Always check the ingredient list carefully for these potential issues. Optimum Nutrition is a widely recognized brand, and some of their products are indeed halal certified. However, it's vital to understand that this doesn't apply to their entire range. Always look for the official halal certification logo directly on the product packaging. This certification ensures that the ingredients and manufacturing processes adhere to Islamic dietary laws. If a product lacks this specific mark, it's best to assume it's not certified halal. Making an informed choice about your supplements is paramount. Always cross-reference any halal certifications with a reputable Islamic authority to ensure authenticity. If you have any doubts, reaching out directly to Optimum Nutrition's customer service can provide clarity on specific product ingredients and their sourcing. Remember, your health and dietary compliance are important. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.